Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So this video is gonna be a quick get ready with me video, but before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I quickly get ready for my day, but before I get into that, I want to quickly talk to you guys briefly about this bag. So if you've been following me, you'll know that about 3 months ago, I showed you guys a Teddy Blake handbag that I got, and since then I've been using it, and a lot of you actually liked the bag, and I just want to let you guys know that this is Christmas and they're having a crazy sale. I think it's up to 70% sale. It's a designer bag. This is the handbag. It's a well-made quality bag. They are very popular. I believe most of you have heard about Teddy Blake. They're very popular. Their bag is very well made. So they're having a 70% off sale. So I decided to just let you guys know quickly, if you've not gotten anything for yourself for Christmas, or you want to get something for someone and you don't know, you can definitely check them out. I'll put the link in the description box below. I decided to choose this particular one because it's very portable, and you can see the design of the skin. It's really beautiful, as you guys can see. And you guys know, if you want to put it on your shoulder, there's also a rope for you to just hang it on your shoulder. So that's just what I want to briefly tell you guys. They're having 70% off sale, so they have different colors. So what are you waiting for? Definitely see if you can check them out and get some for yourself. So guys, now let's just get into the tutorial. So guys, I'm gonna start by doing my eyebrows. I'll be using my brown eye pencil. This is called a Beauty Forever brown eye pencil. After that, I'll be applying my brow tinter. This is a Revlon brow tinter, and then I'm gonna clean my eyebrow with my MAC NC45 concealer. So now I'm done with my eyebrows. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. I'm just going for a nude, like neutral look. So I'm using gold, but a very brownish gold. So I'm gonna use this color to apply on my brows first. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this color as my transition color right here on my brow bone. This brown, this very light brown. I'm gonna take this brow pencil. After that, I'm gonna take this brush and go for a darker brown, and I'm gonna apply it in the inner corner of my eyes right here to create like a depth, you know. So after that, I'll be going in with this brown right here. It's like a brownish gold, like a dark brownish gold. I'm going to apply it on my eyelids. After applying it, I'll go back with the dark brown and apply it in the inner corner of my eyes and just blend it very well with the gold. I'm gonna take a brush and just blend this area a little bit. So right here I'm just gonna take this brown and apply it on my brow bone. So right here I'll be applying my kajal eyeliner. After applying my eyeliner, I'm gonna apply my liquid eyeliner. I'm using the NYX liquid eyeliner. Then I'm gonna put on my false lashes. So right here I'm gonna go ahead and use my NW50 concealer, matte concealer, to just apply on my dark spots, to hide my spots a little bit. Then after that I'll be using my clearance. Foundation. I got this foundation in Sienna 118. It's absolutely amazing. And after applying my foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and use the NC. And after I apply my foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my elega Pro concealer. I'm using this light shade. The shade is quite lighter than my normal shade, and I'm using the dark shade for to contour my face. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Fenty Beauty powder. It's in color honey. So I'll be applying I'm gonna go ahead and contour with my sleek brown powder.